This is Radiant Beans. I am Becca and I'm so excited to welcome you to our Beginning Crochet course. This won't just be some tutorials for a few projects, but instead we want to give you all of the resources you need to be able to not only complete the projects in this course, but the projects you'll want to do afterwards as well. To begin, we will not even start with a tutorial. Instead, we will go over some basic information about crochet to hopefully give you a foundation of knowledge that you can build upon. We will talk about the different types of crochet terminology and supplies, and we will learn how to read crochet patterns, all before we begin our first project. Of course, you can always skip ahead if you are already familiar with some of this stuff. When we do begin our project, you will be learning the exact same projects that I have taught to hundreds of students in person over the past few years. These are going to be truly step-by-step tutorials, and we are going to take things slow. We cover many of the foundational concepts in great detail and often more than once, to make sure that you have the best chance to really learn everything you need to know to be successful at this craft. Crochet has been my passion for more than half of my life, and I have made it my mission to share that passion with my students. I appreciate you so much for being here for our Beginning Crochet course, and I'm here to support you every step of the way on this journey. As you're working through these lessons, please remember that I am a real person. If you need some assistance, please send an email or a picture to me, and I will get back to you as fast as I can to help you get past where you got stuck. So with that, what are we waiting for? Let's learn some new skills and create something beautiful together. Thank you for being here.